Hot stone massage uses a combination of warmed stones and massage techniques to relax tense muscles, relieve pain and stiffness, and improve circulation. The treatment can be used for ailments like muscular aches, arthritic conditions, and autoimmune disorders. The heat of the stones penetrates the skin to promote better blood flow, release toxins and create a deeper muscle relaxation than in a standard massage. Those who do hot stone massage can also customize the treatment to a client's specific needs and preferences. It is vitally important that you use caution and pay close attention to your participant. By placing the warmed stones over acupressure points, you can help release the flow of energy and promote the body's own healing process. Stones used in this treatment are typically made of basalt, due to their ability to retain heat. The stones should also be very smooth, so they do not irritate the skin in any way. If you can't find basalt stones, however, smooth river rocks are fine. You can order a hot stone massage kit online from Amazon or eBay. Do not buy your stones from a rock quarry unless you are able to choose each stone individually. You should have anywhere between 20 to 30 stones, though some professional massages may have upwards of 45 to 60. There should be at least 2 large ovals around 8 inches long to 6 inches wide, 7 stones you can fit in the palm of your hand, and 8 small stones between the size of an egg or a quarter. If you do not have a massage table, a bed or the floor will be fine. Once you've chosen where the massage should take place, you should lay out a clean sheet or a thick towel for the person you are massaging to lay down on. This will not only help them be more comfortable but also help absorb any excess oil from the massage. To really create a relaxing environment, try lighting some aromatherapy candles. Soothing scents like lavender, lemongrass, eucalyptus, and vanilla will help immerse your participant in the massage experience. You can also try playing some quiet classical music or rain sounds to add to the mood. Ideally, you should prepare your stones 30 to 60 minutes before you begin your massage. The water should be no more than 54 degrees Celsius. The stones will cool down as you use them. Anything below 43 degrees Celsius is considered a warm stone massage, although it is important to know that a 40 degrees Celsius stone can still burn someone if it is left laying on their skin for a few minutes. To heat the stones, use a crock pot that can hold at least 6 quarts of water or a large tabletop skillet that has sides close to 3 inches or 7.6 centimeters. Note that crock pots and similar kitchen equipment heat on a cycle basis, which means that the temperature can vary and must be monitored closely. It is better if you can find something with an actual temperature setting. Instead of low, medium, high, use a meat thermometer to monitor the temperature in your crock pot. Never use a glass thermometer as breakage can occur. You should also keep the crock pot setting to warm or low, as you don't want the water to boil. You should also rub some massage oil on each stone before it's used. The pictures you see in spa advertisements are not accurate, they are just meant to look appealing. To prevent burns, you must place a flannel sheet or towel down and then put the stones on top of that. Keep in mind it can take 3 to 4 minutes for the heat of the stones to penetrate to the skin. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe.